Model 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 29001.6 CDTI 120 L2H1 needs turbo Euro 6. Body white, panel van. Mileage 80,117. Engine 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.